up, for today's video, we are actually going to try a new product from NYX, Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. And I'm very excited for this because as you can see, my brows has a lot of sparse area. I'm not sure if you can see it. And I'm always having trouble in doing my brows. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this one. This is their brow glue. So yeah, let's get started. It says here that it's supposed to be transparent and non-sticky formula. I'm gonna start using this first. This is what it looks like. So we have a very small spoolie right here, and this looks like it's gonna give us a precise application, which is good. It gets dry, it doesn't feel like sticky for me. But if it's still wet and if you touch it with your fingers, it definitely feels like glue. I choose the color black because my hair is black. It definitely gives you a thin stroke, which is nice. It's very thin. And we're gonna fill that up and let's see if this one will work. It. I'm definitely liking this one. This one has a brow gel, but this one, I don't have a brow gel. For now, it definitely covers this sparse area. Alright, so they're actually claiming that this is transfer proof, so we're gonna test that. So I have a cotton pads in here, and let's see if it's transfer proof. And smudge proof, actually. Ooh, transfer. Transferring the pad. Well, I actually put a little bit force in it, so that's probably why. Let's see the other one without the brow gel. Let's do it again. Oh, cool! Look at that. Without the brow gel, it actually didn't transfer. Let's do it again. Putting it very, very hard. There's a little bit, but with the brow gel, give me this. Okay, let's do it again. This one has the brow gel in it. I'm just gonna swipe it, not gonna put force in it, and there's nothing in here. And the other one without the brow gel, and there's nothing. I took one of my brow hair here. I'm gonna put a little bit of force in it, and let's see if it's gonna transfer. There's a little transfer. The other one without the brow gel. There's a little transfer in it too. And it took my hair again. 2 hairs in there. Just a little bit, not a lot. You can't even see it. It is actually smudge proof and transfer proof as long as you don't swipe it hard as. And I'm gonna update you tomorrow. It's actually 12:28 in the midnight right now here. Okay, so it's actually 2 a.m. here, and my brows looks like, I'm not sure if it's gonna last for 16 hours, but let's see. I'm gonna sleep now and see you tomorrow. It's already 8:30 in the morning, and this is what my brows looks like. It's still there, right? Yeah, that's what it looks like. So see you in a few hours. Hi, so it's already 11 a.m. here, and this is what my brows looks like. Let me show you what it looks like in daylight. There. So this is what it looks like in daylight. What do you think? They're still there. Alright, so now it's already 4:30 plus, and we actually made it to 16 hours. I just woke up from nap. And yes, you can see my brows are still there, but barely hanging in there. And it's not really that opaque as the first time I put it in there. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is the area that don't have brow gel. And this is the area that has brow gel. What do you think? Is there any difference? This one is actually sticking more than this one. I don't understand why. I think you don't really need a brow gel then. You can just have this. So this is the 16-hour look. So for $11, I think you should try this if you're into like tinted brows and you want to have a precise application. If you want to try this, maybe you can show me in the comment section below if it did give you the hair stroke look in your eyebrows. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. There, so this is the 16-hour.